Hey, what's up guys? So today I want to do a quick video on how to make a shipping label on a Office Jet 3830, as you can see right over there. So once you have your label already downloaded and paid for, basically it will come up something like this when you press the print. As you can see, it has the Office Jet right there. So now your paper size will be letters, of course, and put it on custom on the scale size. Okay, once on the scale size custom, you can pick the size you want, so you can make the label bigger, as you can see if I keep moving it, or you can make it smaller. Okay, I usually make it about 90, but I'm gonna go a little higher. I'm gonna go to 95. Okay, so in my description, I will put a link on where to buy. I put a piece of tape to cover the addresses, of course. So I use this paper right here. It has it splits right there, and the paper, as you can see, is sticky. Okay, so basically the paper is just like this. So your label will print right up here. Okay, so when is that? You take it to the printer. As you can see, it is a HP Office Jet 3830. Okay, make sure it's on. Come back to your printer. So basically try to make the label not as big, but can cover half of the page because it is divided into two. So about 95 should be fine. Maybe I should go a little downer. Let me go 92. So once you hit print, okay, your printer should start printing. It's very simple on how to do labels. Once you buy it, it's there. So basically now, as you can see, the label is done. Okay. As you can see, the label is printed. So it's very simple. And then you'll cut it. As you can see, you'll cut it nice and neat, and you'll tape it on the box. Very quick, very easy. Well, if you have any question at all, or any other type of video you need to learn how to do with the printer, just let me know, comment below. Also check out my giveaways, my channel, a lot of videos so far. So this is just a video on how to make the label. Well, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.